Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2012 Honda Goldwing with 99,706 miles comes equipped with cruise control, heated grips, heated seats, multifunction 4-speaker audio system, reverse, and a CB radio. It's been upgraded with a ROADSMITH TRIKE kit, ram mount, wind deflectors, rider and passenger floorboards, driver backrest, passenger armrest, shift levers, and grips. The Goldwing debuted in 1975 and has survived the test of time to become a titan of the touring class. Comfort, spacious storage, and weather protection help the Goldwing go the distance in comfort and style. Powered by an 1832cc 6-cylinder engine, the Goldwing puts 116 horsepower and 123 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. In stock form, it weighs in at 910 pounds and has a 29.1-inch seat height. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, this Goldwing will need a fork seal leak addressed, and please expand and read the mechanical condition report for a full list of concerns. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased a CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.